Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Algo, we are trading at 0.3576, 24-hour volume. We're up 29%, and market cap, we are down 0.41%. Okay, so let's head over to our daily chart. And if we take a sneak peek on our daily chart, the bodies itself is looking very, very minimal here. However, the range we are looking at is continuously making some higher low swing candles and a lot of lower low swing candles as well. So essentially, we're going in this downtrend here. We do see an expansion of these bodies, which does show us some pressure either in buying or selling. Now, we are still considered to be overbought here. And normally at the very top of this Bollinger Band, we see a retracement downwards. And what's really nice in Algo in the last couple of days here is that we were able to hold on to support and continue on in this beautiful uptrend. So we'll see here coming down to an area of support, especially around our 20 moving average, coming up and retesting now 100 moving average here as soon as we were able to break above it. Now, if we were able to come back down to the 50%, depending on the momentum we're going to see in a closer look for the 4 hours and 2 hours, it is a crucial area here because not only it is a retracement level, but it is going to be coming down to our trend line and it is going to come down to our 20 moving average. And if we want to continue this uptrend that Algo has been continuously doing in the last couple of days, dating back here on Friday, October 21st, we essentially need to hold on to the 20 moving average to increase that momentum. Now, if we quickly take a look at the MACD indicator today so far, even though we haven't closed, we're just kind of taking a sneak peek here, is the lighter color. And we could anticipate that this wave of this beautiful uptrend for our MACD indicator here and may have peaked, and we are looking for a decline of the MACD indicator. And as it declines, we're going to see the price momentum come down, and we are most likely going to see again the price itself come down too. And as we are losing that momentum in a bullish run. Now, if we look at the RSI, now there's a few things in here. The K line is at 62% and the D line is at 52. If we scroll out to see opportunities of the highest peaks, really here on September 23rd, it was as high as 71% until we saw that retracement drop, or even at the 56%. If we quickly take a look here, it was around 59%. So we are retracing back to the lower numbers for the retracement level for algo. And if they do cross over and we see this white line decreasing as it crosses over, it is going to initiate a selling opportunity. And of course, we don't want that if the price does come down to the 50% because those two are going to clash and price is going to drop into a downtrend. Now let's sneak peek into a 4 hour time frame because we had this lovely pump that we saw in the last couple of hours or so. So here it is, just 4 hours ago. We see it as high as the 36.58. And of course, we are going to have a pullback scenario. If we take a look at the RSI and if we can picture that the white line here comes around here and the D line comes down here, it essentially will initiate that buying opportunity. Again, when the MACD line shows us weakness in this red momentum, paired it off with the RSI in that buying opportunity, price is going to come back up here at the 61%. 61%, excuse me, which is 0.36 cents. And if we can be able to accomplish that, then essentially on the daily chart, we're going to close above the 36.04 here, which would be really nice to see. Again, just builds in the momentum on a daily chart to continue to go up. Now, again, it all depends on Bitcoin and Ethereum as the price is going to continue to consolidate sideways from resistance to an area of support. So this may be the only high that we can see for the 36.33 as we see the Bollinger Bands are squeezing in and narrowing in. So it is giving us a little bit of a hint that we're going to see price action move sideways. Now, in the 2 hour time frame, so far what we can gather here was this candlestick here had a lot of selling pressure as the range itself is a very long tail at the very bottom. We already see the selling pressure at the very bottom, at the very top here. However, this candlestick is very, very minimal. If this candlestick had a longer range on it, and if the candlestick body is at the very top here, essentially it's going to end in a hanging man candlestick. And those ones are very dangerous in an uptrend because it shows us an exhaustion of the uptrend. And the long wick itself is just giving us a hint that the sellers are ready to take action and the sellers are going to come into this phase. So if that does occur, we want to make sure that the next candle action shows red engulfing candlestick. So what that means is basically the candle body would engulf the previous action. And if this candlestick is in red, we are going to retest this very small area of support at 35.12. We can see again a few of our candlesticks retracing down to this level. So 4 candlesticks here retracing to this level, and it's going to be a retest of that area of support so long as the next candle here closes in an engulfing candlestick. So let me know what you guys think down below. Like and subscribe to the channel as well, but I'll see you next time.